If you haven't had your taste buds excited in a while, you need to try today's recipe. Howard shows us how to make his Marmalade Dijon pork chops in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
60 years ago, Americans spent about 90 minutes each day eating dinner together. Now that time has dwindled to less than 12 minutes. It's something that can't be ignored. According to the National Center on Addiction and Substance Abuse, kids and teens who eat dinner 3 or more times per week with their families do better in school, are less likely to be overweight, are more likely to eat healthier, are less likely to get involved with drugs and alcohol, and have a better relationship with their parents. One way to get everyone to spend more time at the table is to serve them something they're gonna love. So how about sauteing a few thick-cut pork chops that we've dusted with some seasoned flour until they're golden? And to take them over the top, we simmer them in a sauce that we made by combining some orange marmalade, a splash of OJ, and a bit of Dijon mustard. Not only are these easy to make, but everyone at the table is gonna love them. And you know what that means. They're gonna wanna stick around looking for more. And while they're there, they'll be talking up a storm. To get the recipe for our Marmalade Dijon pork chops, head over to our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found the perfect gather around the table way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Looks easy and delicious. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com. Here's a look at our 4 state market prices.